And just to really drive home how important it is that we be allowed to express things that are controversial, the court says, and I'm going to jump around the opinion a bit, but just hold current events in your mind as I read the words of the Supreme Court of the United States. Quote, if there is a bedrock principle underlying the First Amendment, it is that the government may not prohibit the expression of an idea simply because society finds the idea itself offensive or disagreeable. If there is any fixed star in our constitutional constellation, it is that no official, high or petty, can prescribe what shall be orthodox in politics, nationalism, religion, or other matters of opinion, or force citizens to confess by word or act their faith therein. We would be permitting a state to prescribe what shall be orthodox by saying that one may burn the flag to convey one's attitude toward it and its reference only if one does not endanger the flag's representation of nationhood and national unity. To conclude that the government may permit designated symbols to be used to communicate only a limited set of messages would be to enter territory having no discernible or defensible boundaries. Could the government, on this theory, prohibit the burning of state flags, of copies of the presidential seal, of the Constitution? In evaluating these choices under the First Amendment, how would we decide which symbols were sufficiently special to warrant this unique status? To do so, we would be forced to consult our own political preferences and impose them on the citizenry in the very way that the First Amendment forbids us to do. Its statute's implicit assumption that physical mistreatment of the flag will lead to serious offense tend to confirm that the flag's special role is not in danger. If it were, no one would riot or take offense because a flag had been burned. We are tempted to say, in fact, that the flag's deservedly cherished place in our community will be strengthened, not weakened, by our holding today. The way to preserve the flag's special role is not to punish those who feel differently about these matters. It is to persuade them that they are wrong. We do not consecrate the flag by punishing its desecration, for in doing so, we dilute the freedom that this cherished emblem represents.